I can't freaking talk.
I hope that's the intro to the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing the Corsa Performance 2 3/4 Catback exhaust system. I'm super excited to see what this sounds like, so let's go.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
I know you're probably wondering, why do you keep changing your exhaust system? Because, well, I can't make up my mind. And I had a lot of you reach out to me asking me about all of these different systems. So I thought I'd make it easier for you, have me put them on the Bronco, give you some information with the decibel meter, some sound test, and test it out in sport mode, normal mode. So stay tuned. All that information is in this video. It is time to install this thing. So let's go. And also, I'm wearing sunglasses and shorts because I live in Florida, and I'm sorry for all of you that are in really cold, wintry areas. Yeah, let's go. It's time to kick it in gear and get this thing installed, but just like last time, if I don't have to get dirty, I'm not gonna get dirty, and I have just the guy to install this.
Why do you keep calling me? We just put an exhaust on this thing.
Yeah, but you know me, I'm always changing things up.
Okay, well, I guess that's cool. I mean, I don't mind getting dirty.
And this probably isn't gonna be the last one you put on, because I do have a future video that's gonna be coming out comparing a lot of different exhaust systems for the Bronco. So Jim, thanks for being such a good guy and doing this for me.
This sounds like a whole lot of work, and I can't wait to do it.
Yeah, so let's get this thing installed, and then we'll get the DV meter out, do some cold starts, do some drive-bys in the vehicle. By drive-bys with no guns, I mean just driving by things in a Bronco.
It's way more safe.
Okay, shh. Get started!
Here we go.
This guy's always trying to distract me. I've chosen the Corsa Performance single exit high clearance exhaust. This thing installs easy with the use of basic hand tools. Its 2 3/4 inch pipe with straight through muffler design will increase exhaust flow up to 118%. Not only that, but it's even 11 pounds lighter than the stock exhaust system. All hardware and detailed installation instructions are included. Plus, it's manufactured in the good old US of A in the lovely state of Ohio. All right, Jimmy. Are we ready?
I think we're ready to go. This thing's on. Let's take it for a spin.
All right, we got this baby installed. So I got the DB meter out. We're gonna test the cold start, get some readings and everything. But first, I called in the world's toughest critics for feedback of this exhaust system. That's right, my children. I'm always doing stuff to Buttercup. And these guys always have an opinion on what they like and what they don't like. And after this being my 3rd or 4th exhaust system put on this thing, I thought, you know what? I want to get their first real life reactions for the Corsa Performance exhaust. So are you guys ready to do this?
Yes.
Okay, I need somebody to hold this over here. Come here. And you're gonna hold it. Do you see where this exhaust tip is right there?
Yep.
I want you to hold it just like that. And then our camera guy is gonna zoom in on that, and we're not gonna talk, okay, until I say. Are you ready? Yeah? No? Yeah. Ready? Yeah? Okay, let's go. All right, we got the cold start out of the way. Now's the fun part where I'm gonna rev it up a couple times, and then you guys are gonna tell me what you think.
Yes.
We got these mean, very harsh critics, and they have heard so many different exhaust systems, but they are gonna give me first-hand response of their feedback on the Corsa Performance. We're gonna start youngest with little Maya here. What did you think about it?
It sounds like a race car.
It sounds like a race car. And does mommy drive like a race car driver?
Yes.
Or at least I try to, right?
Yep.
Okay. Kylo, what do you think?
I like how it rumbles.
You like how it rumbles?
Really cool, yeah.
Okay. What about you, pink-haired dude?
Sounds like 𝔬𝕐𝕝𝕝𝕝𝕝.
𝔬𝕬𝕝𝕝𝕝𝕝. Okay, leave it to Asher to have the jokes. Look at you. He's got this mean mugging looking face. Oh. He's like, I mean business. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for your feedback. Now it's time for Mom's feedback. We are in the Bronco and there's a couple things I want to talk about. First off, I'm going to do just the dB reading in sport mode. After doing this for multiple videos, there's very little difference in the sound between normal mode and sport mode. The RPMs are a little bit higher in sport mode, so it's going to be louder at different times, but it's not going to really matter. So I'm going to keep it in sport mode. Okay, we are just going to get the normal driving reading, so I'm going to shut up.
It's nice with you, you know, not as talkative.
Would you like me to smack you?
No, I would not.
So what's the reading?
Right about 40 miles an hour. We are looking at right around 67 dB in the cabin. In fact, it's quite quiet in here.
Yeah. Let me accelerate and we'll see how loud it actually gets.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Okay, well, we peaked at right around 80 decibels in the vehicle.
Okay, which isn't super loud. I don't even know how it's going to come across like through the camera, but you can still have a conversation. It's not obnoxiously loud by any means.
Mm-hmm.
I do like the sound of this exhaust. It's a little bit of a deeper tone.
Yeah, I would say.
And I like the little rumbles that come along with that.
Yeah, it's got a little gurgle to it.
Yeah, and I find it so crazy how every exhaust system is so different. This is the 2 3/4 inch piping.
Mm-hmm.
If you're looking for something that's obnoxiously loud, this isn't the one for you.
This still isn't it, yeah.
No, but if you're wanting something that has a little bit more sound to it and isn't super quiet all the time, I think this is the one for you. It's not super quiet where you don't feel like you have an exhaust on, but it's not obnoxious, if that makes sense.
I agree. Now that I've been graciously brought onto this video to install a few different exhaust systems, I will tell you, this is probably my favorite so far out of the bunch. It's got a little bit of that gurgle tone to it. It does have a high clearance compared to some of the other exhaust systems.
That is something I was going to mention. It does have a higher clearance. It sits up there. It's not going to sit low where you have to worry about, you know, driving over something and scratching it up or even putting a hole in it. And I think that's really important because I am going to be going to Utah here in the next few months for United by Bronco to take Buttercup off-road. So I think having high clearance in an exhaust system is very important if you are someone that does take your Bronco off-road.
I definitely think you will benefit from a higher clearance exhaust system.
What's that supposed to mean?
It means exactly what I said.
All right, enough of us rambling on. I think it's time to get some shots from the outside so you guys can hear what everyone else is gonna hear when you're driving away from the car show and you get to show off your exhaust.
Awesome,
All right,
let's do it.
We'll just have to stay tuned to see if the Corsa Performance exhaust is the exhaust that I'm going to keep on Buttercup here. Also stay tuned, I have some really big announcements coming that I can't wait to share with you guys. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, become a YouTube channel member, a patron, you know, the list goes on, yada, yada, yada. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup. And then we'll get some coming out. I think I did get some good ones with